Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my next zodiac sign, that is Cancer. Cancer 2021 October. So let's see what we have for Cancerians in October. I think Cancerians, you all are feeling a little stuck. That's what I feel. I feel Cancerians, you are little not in a good space of mind. Maybe you're hurt about things. Maybe you are, wanting to somewhere restart in a new way with people around you. You're ready to sacrifice everything in your life to move forward. Cancerians, the first week of October. Okay, I feel Cancerians, you are going to return back to someone from the past. I don't know why this message came to me. Most of the Cancerians are going to return back to someone. Okay, because the current situation is not working for you. The first week you will offer, or somebody will offer you something that will bring a lot of happiness, emotional happiness, and abundance in your life, money wise and emotion wise. So that some offer is coming to your way, or you are going to offer someone something really, really important. Okay, second week is I want to win this situation. This is what it could be, that to win the situation, I can, by hook or by crook, I have to use any means, I will win the situation. That kind of state of mind will come to you, Cancerians, and that is not going to be. See, the victory you will have to win the situation, however, that victory is going to be very empty because you have won that out of ego, not out of your feelings. So, maybe in your workspace, something you're trying to win since a long time, you were not able to. You might. But eventually, that victory is not going to serve for you. It's going to be a very empty kind of a victory. That's what I feel. In the second week, Cancerian. So, as you've seen the reading, so whatever you're going to handle in your workspace, please handle it with care. You will win the situation, no doubt. No doubt. But in that bargain, you're going to lose a lot. Maybe you will lose your good contacts. Maybe you will lose everything that is around you. Third week. Third week, you're going to close yourself and you're going to not move forward because you have not made a decision yet. You will not try to make a decision. So somewhere where you need to decide, now the victory is done, now what to do, now next thing that I need to take up and move forward is a no. I am not going to do right now because I'm not in a state of mind, or maybe I've still not decided. That is what is the state of mind in the third week. And in the fourth week, you are going to be very spiritually connected first. You are going to be like you're going to manifest things. You're going to either do some kind of ritual, puja, or something around manifestation. Okay. Also, I feel you're going to get into activities that are with your community, with your religion, or something like that. Also, you will connect also with such people, because this is going to help you heal your work. Sometimes we go to these big gurus or healers or something and we connect divinely, and that is going to open more doors for you. So that is exactly what is happening to you, Cancerian. So the first week, there is an offer coming to you, or you offering someone some kind of work. Second week, winning situation, but that winning is not going to be a long, like it's not going to serve you in long term. The third week, there is a lot of confusion, there is a lot of stepping back, there is a lot of no, I don't want to see, I don't want to acknowledge, I just don't want to decide right now. And the fourth week, you're going to go to someone who's going to help you open the doors of your life. Okay? This is what the energy is for Cancerian in the month of October. Okay? Let's see what we have in your relationships. Okay. So, October for Cancerians. See, I feel that you're been observing and also listening and talking to a lot of people around your relationship. This message is especially for those who are married. I don't know why I'm saying this. You've been imagining a nice, beautiful, committed relationship maybe in your life. Some people might go to their marriage and try to repair it, okay? If there are problems in your marriage, there will be a lot of improvement in that area. Or some people might go back and break their marriage. Or maybe some people might move on from where they are to someone else. Right now, Cancerians, you have a lot of offers in front of you. I can see almost 3 to 4 offers in front of you of relationship and love. And you're trying to think where to go. Okay, some people advise you this and some people advise you that, and that's why things are not moving because you're listening to too many people. You need to go with what your heart says. You need to listen to only to your heart. See, you've been dreaming about this person or maybe one person that you really love and you've been not taking a decision. Okay, you need to do what you feel like. Spread your wings, Cancerian, because it's all about your throat chakra energy. Maybe you love this person and you're not trusting the energy, whether it will work out with that person or no. You need to take a decision. I feel people who are married, either they will leave the marriage or they will try to improve it, but more chances of leaving because you are not looking there. Okay? And people who are not leaving their marriage will try to change the energy by changing the bonding or maybe trying to improve the bonding. Yeah, because you are going through a challenging time right now, Cancerians. And this challenging times, you have to learn one thing in life. Ego always blocks your relationship. So maybe your partner is showing a lot of ego or you're showing. Just check that. Mostly you're moving on. You're moving on from toxicity. You're moving on from a old relationship, or maybe you're moving on from those things in life. Maybe there's a lot of interference, outer interference in relationship. Maybe you're moving on from those people who are trying to influence you and spoil your relationship. That also happens. So you might move on from those people who are right now spoiling your relationship. You push everybody away and go back to your maybe wife or whoever you are with, girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, husband, either or you will actually go and follow your heart and be with that person whom you actually love. So that there are many options in front of you. You will only go with the person whom you truly love. So you're coming together also with someone in the month of October. Tough decision, Cancerians. Tough life. Yeah, emotions are tough. So you're making a decision in the month of October whether to stay or to go. Okay, let's see what fairies have for you, Cancerians. Tree Wisdom, again the similar card as the previous one. So you need to go and trees always ground us. They always give us healing and positive energy. So the more you are in greenery, the more you're connecting with the trees and the plants, and the more healing you're taking from them. And of course, whenever you take healing from plants and trees, please say thank you to them. Go hug a tree when you go for a walk. That will also give you a lot of clarity, because trees do help you heal. A big tree, if you see and you ask, can I hug you? You will get an answer yes, and then go and hug and see. It does make a difference, because grounding your energy, it is grounding. Basically, grounding is very, very important. And when you ground yourself, you center yourself, you have more clarity in life. Okay, so that's all for today. See you all next month and more videos to come. And don't forget to subscribe. If you're just watching, not subscribing, please subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, because I put a lot of things over there. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. Bye.